Hello and welcome to another editor tutorial by Blackbox-av. For this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at editing the quiz template within the editor. First of all, we'll need to open the quiz template by double-clicking on it. As with the other templates, we can edit the logo in exactly the same way. Once the logo is added, we can edit the scale, visibility, and horizontal and vertical position. We won't be adding a title, but feel free to give your quiz a title if you wish. Again, we can choose whether the title is visible and determine both the horizontal and vertical positioning of it. Next, we can change the background by pressing the Browse button to open a file locator. Pressing Accept will import the background. Now, we'll move on to the question options. You can determine the questions ordering with random or custom as choices. We can also alter how long players are given to answer questions and the amount of questions in the pool, which allows you to add a lot of questions but select a smaller amount at random each time. We also have tick boxes to determine whether the correct answer is shown or not, if the user is allowed to select multiple answers, and whether the questions automatically traverse once answered. Once we're happy with these settings, we'll begin adding a test question. Obviously you can put whatever you want in here, but for this tutorial our question will be test question. We'll also set the answers to just simply be 1, 2 and 3. You can have up to 4 answers with a minimum of 2. When we've done this, we can choose the correct answer index, which determines which answer is correct. We can also add a video or image to help players or just add an aesthetic touch to each question. We will add a stock image just to show how it will look once complete. Now, feel free to add more questions if you wish, but we will move on and take a quick look at the ranges option. Here, we can determine the message displayed to players once they score higher than a set percentage value. There is a default value for the final message which we can edit to our preference. However, we can also add personalized ranges at different increments, which will be displayed when a player scores below a certain percentage of points. We will add one for below 50% and make the message, "Nice try." Once you're happy with your quiz, press the Save As button at the top. Again, you are able to choose the name your application will display on the main menu and the icon that will be displayed with it. Feel free to upload your own icon or use a preview, but for this tutorial we will use the question mark icon. We will now choose our save location and name the file Quiz. And there we go. You now have a fully functioning quiz application for your viewer. Before we finish, we'll have a quick look at importing the menu templates and editing them in order to create a main menu for our viewer. There are 3 different menu templates available. The first and most popular is a Parallax slider menu template. We will start by importing this first, as we will use this to create our demo menu for this tutorial. Once this template is imported, we'll import the second menu template, the wheel menu template, and now finally we'll import the stripe menu template. Now, we'll begin editing the Parallax menu template in order to create a functioning menu for our viewer. Firstly, we will change the logo and its positioning as we did with the quiz template earlier. Clicking Browse will open the file locator window and we will select our logo and click Accept. We can now alter the vertical and horizontal position of the logo, again with the option to decide whether it is visible or not. Once you're happy with this, we will move on to changing the background color of the menu area on the left. Feel free to choose any color you wish. As you can see, the left side of the menu background is filled with the chosen color. Next, we're going to add our preferred interface menus. For this tutorial, we will make 3 menus with the names Menu 1, Menu 2, and Menu 3. For each menu, we are able to alter the background image. Navigating to the specific menu will change the background to the selected image. We will use 3 stock images, but feel free to use anything you wish. However, make sure the resolution on the image is similar to the size of the template, otherwise it will stretch and distort to fit the display. Once we're happy with our menu selections, we are able to modify the application label properties. We can adjust the font size and font color here. This is entirely up to you. It just allows for easier reading of the application labels. Finally, we can choose the amount of applications we would like to be displayed on each menu interface. The default is 9, however you are able to choose however many you want. And there is our completed viewer menu. We will now click the Save As icon and rename our menu to Main Menu. We will leave the icon as a preview to help identify it later. Once you're happy, press Accept and navigate to the folder you wish to save your menu template in. Now we've finished with this template, we'll take a quick look at the other menu templates available and their customization options. Click New Project. Navigate to the Education and Business Package folder and open the Stripe menu template. As you can see, the customization options available are similar to the Parallax menu. We're able to edit the logo, background image, overall color scheme, where the application area background is visible, and application label font size and color. As for the wheel menu template, which we will open now, the options are exactly the same with different results. Feel free to purchase these templates if you would prefer to use them instead of the Parallax one. And there we have it. The quiz and menu templates are free for you to edit as you wish. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial for the editor software by Blackbox-av. If you'd like to watch more tutorials regarding our products, please continue watching or visit our channel.